Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from ENACFIRE. This is their E90 Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds that you can check out on their website, and I'll have that link in the description below. The current price is $59. So if you're not looking to break the bank with over $100 for a Bluetooth set of earbuds, then these should go on your list. We're going to dig into them now, show you what comes in the box, do a microphone test, and give you my overall impressions. Okay, so let's unbox these real quick. Again, these are the E90s from ENACFIRE, and these are boast a higher bass level. And what you're going to notice about these particular ones is that they have a shorter stubs to them on the side. They are IPX8 waterproof. They do have touch controls, which I'll also go over as well, and they are Bluetooth 5.0. So those are your major highlights here. You do get some documentation, as you always do with these products. Expect the unexpected from ENACFIRE. They do offer a 2-year warranty, so make sure that you do go and you do register your warranty for these. 2 years is a pretty good warranty for earbuds. Now, the charging case is a USB Type-C chargeable case. It does not have wireless charging built into it. So that's something to keep in mind. And as we take out the earbuds themselves and the charge cable here, we'll take that out, show you exactly what you've got for that. Now, you've got some extra ear tips in here, and you also will get the charge cable. So you do have larger ear tips and smaller ones depending on your specific ears. And then you also get a charge cable, which is a standard USB to USB Type-C charge cable. So that's cool. You can plug that into any wall adapter, PC, or laptop's USB will be fine. With the case here, you'll see that there's some pogo pins and some LED lights on the front that I'll go over. It's probably 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% battery life left in the case, so you do know how much you have there. Your USB Type-C port as well. It is a little rounded on the bottom, which kind of makes it awkward to sit on a desk. That's kind of a little nitpick for me. If they had made it flat, that might have been a little bit better, but other than that, not a big deal. Let's take a look at the actual earbuds. You can see that they're about half the size. They don't hang down out of your ears very far. Now, you've got your microphones on the bottom here. You do have your touch controls on the outside. And you do have an LED to let you know what's going on. Pretty typical fare for most Bluetooth earbuds, but they are very compact, which I really do like, and the fact that it makes them overall a lot lighter because they're about half the size, or at least that length portion that hangs down from what goes inside your ear. So overall, they're super comfortable to wear and super lightweight, and I didn't have any problems at all with that. The sound that they produce is a very bassy, rich sound. So if you like bass, you're going to really like these. Again, you can get about 8 hours of battery life on those directly, and then 5 recharges with the battery pack.
This is a test of the ENACFIRE E90 Bluetooth earbuds. This will give you an idea of what the microphone sounds like when you're in a video call or a voice chat.
So that was the microphone test of the ENACFIRE E90s. And as you could hear, they're not the best that I've heard, but again, they're not the worst that I've heard either. They're going to be totally fine for voice calls and video chat. So nothing to write home about as far as the mic quality goes, but nothing to really say, oh, this is a deal breaker. You do get touch controls with these as well, depending on whether you're using the right or left earbud. If you press and hold on the right, your volume will go up. Press and hold on the left, your volume will go down. Now, if you press once or tap once on either, you're going to pause or play or answer or hang up a phone call. Pressing twice will, on the right-hand side, will forward your track, and on the left-hand side will reverse your track. And then pressing 3 times altogether will give you access to either Siri or Google Assistant. It'll bring up my Google Assistant, so that's cool. So altogether, the touch controls work really, really well on this. I didn't have any problems using them or accessing them, not registering my touches or anything like that. So overall, just a great job on the buttons or the touch controls on the E90s. Okay, so pairing these is pretty simple. Once you have them charged up, you're going to see an LED, a solid LED on either side to let you know that they are charged individually. So if you're just using one, which you can do, you need to charge it, you're going to know whether both of them are charged or only one of them is charging or both of them are charging. So once you pull them out, pairing them up is super simple. The LED, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on the video, but the LED changes to a blinking white and blue LED, which means it's in pairing mode. And then you'll just have to turn on Bluetooth on whatever device you're going to pair this with. So super simple there. It'll come up in your devices as the ENACFIRE E90s, obviously, and we're going to click on that. Once we click on that, it's going to send us a pairing request. And since it is Bluetooth 5.0, you're going to see that it pairs up super quick. So that is an awesome thing as well. So now that I'm all paired up on these, my final thoughts about the actual quality is really good as far as the music goes. The music has nice, rich sound with good bass. Overall, was really happy with the music on this. The microphone is, again, passable. The only thing that's really missing on these is maybe some wireless charging on the actual charging case. Again, you get about 8 hours of battery life on the particular headset itself, and then of course you get 5 recharges or up to 5 recharges with the battery case. So all good things. It does have the aptX codec in it, so when I was watching movies I didn't get any lip sync issues or anything like that. So overall, pretty nice from ENACFIRE. The E90s are really nice and lightweight and sound pretty good. So that's my review of the ENACFIRE E90 Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. The only thing really missing out of these is a wireless charging capability for the case, but at the price point of about $50 to $59, this is kind of a hard one to pass up. They are very compact and lightweight. They have great sound with very good bass, kind of a rich sound is the way I want to describe it. And the microphone is passable. It's not the greatest microphone that I've tested, but it's definitely by far not the worst. It's going to work fine for phone calls and video chats. Overall, if you're looking for a nice pair of earbuds that are Bluetooth, you might want to put these on your short list to give them a check out. Again, you can check out the link in the description below where you can pick them up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about these, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Remember to like, and if you guys have not subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.